Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl edith.iheme here. I'm so excited to be back. You guys, Mary Kay just dropped this new fabulous collection, which you already saw on the screen. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. We're gonna be playing with that today. I did put a bit of concealer on my eyes. I love to use our Perfecting Concealer as, you know, my primer. That's how I love it, because I love the way it gives me that even canvas on my skin to work with. And for my nails, y'all can see I am rocking the new nail polish. So we're going to start with our beautiful new 60th anniversary palette. Okay, do you guys love it? It is so pretty, right? So grab yours and let's play. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the concealer and just put just a little extra right here on the lid, because I like mine to be tacky before I go in with my color. That's my little tip. Okay, this portion, if you've already put concealer, you can skip if you're fine, or you can go in with a primer, you know, just to put it on the base. That way it gives you that tackiness that you want, which is what I love to do. So now I'm going to just take my brush and just kind of press it in a little bit, okay? Just make sure it's all where I want it to be. The first shade we're going to start with is the Burgundy Crown. I'm going to start with the Burgundy Crown in my crease. So just taking the Mary Kay eye blending brush, that's what I'm going to be using. We're going to start that right at the outer corner. Okay, just take that a little bit high into the crease. I press. Okay, I don't just blend it into the crease because I want that pigment. So I'm just pressing it into the skin, and there you can see it, right? You can see it. So I like to always pack the product on first, right? I always like to pack it onto the area, to the eye, to the crease and all. And then I'll take another brush, all right, another fluffy blending brush, and then that I would use to blend the edges, because I want that payoff. That's just my thing. I want the color to be intense. You know what I'm saying? So next I'm going to take the olive eyeshadow brush. I'm going to just dip that little into my concealer. And again, I'm going to kind of do a half moon cut crease. I like to do this because it gives more definition to the eye, to the look that I'm trying to create. So once that's done, you go back with your same brush and pick up more of the burgundy, and now we're just going to kind of just brush that on the outer corner. So just kind of blend the edges where that concealer was. All right, so next I'm going to pick up Iconic Pink, and I'm going to use the olive eyeshadow brush because it's, you know, it kind of flat. All right, and then I'm going to just press that on my lid. So next we're going to pick up the Pink Diamonds. This is one of my favorite colors. When I swatched this the first time, I was like, wow, that is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to pick up Pink Diamond with the same brush, with the same all over eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to press. This color is super beautiful. Do we see that? So we're just filling the spot, right, in the half moon cut crease that we created with the concealer, right? I'm just following that and just placing the color right there. So now you can go back with your compact and your brush and add where you need to and blend where you need to. For me, I'm just going to go back and intensify, you know, some other colors. I'm intensifying the Iconic Pink in the center, you know, some more. And then this is where you also gently kind of blend the two colors gently together so that you don't see any harsh lines, right? I'm also going to reinforce the Burgundy Crown. Again, just gently go across the lines a little, because like I said, we don't want there to be any harsh lines to show where the colors met. It should be blended seamlessly into each other. So now you can, if you wanted to, take the pink diamonds and use that as a highlight under your brow bone. Yeah, just slightly. So next step is to line your eyes. So grab your eyeliner and do the top. So next up, we can use our mascara. All right, I'm going to use my Panorama, and I'm also going to be popping on some lashes. All right, ladies, so next we're going to do our concealer. Okay, so grab your concealer, and we're going to just highlight. Next, I'm going to grab my Cocoa Contour Powder. So you grab yours, and we're going to just contour. So it's nice to do a little contour just to give some definition and warmth to the face. The next step, we want to go and set the under eye concealer. So for my under eye, I'm going to take our Silky Setting Powder in the shade Light Medium Beige. Okay. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Marykay translucent powder. All right. Just a little bit, and just to give us an extra under eye brightness, I'm going to just lay that on top of the setting powder. I'm going to grab Legacy Lilac, and we're going to place that under the eye. Our eyeliner in blue. All right, guys, so for the cheek, we're going to be using the shade Wine Berry. So next up is our new Velvet Lip Crayons. These are so beautiful, part of the collection, and they are so awesome. Before we put that on, I'm going to use our new waterproof lip liner in the shade Berry. Now I'm going to apply Visionary Pink. And next we're going to go with the Pink Rose. So now that we'll put on our lippy, our eyes is all set, we've put our blush, we've set our face down. So we're going to finish up the look with our Marykay Makeup Finishing Spray. All right, ladies, that is it. We are done with our makeup look today. What do we think? Okay, what do we think about this new beautiful collection by Marykay? I love this compact. I love the colors. It is so beautiful. It is so soft. It is so, you know, glam Barbie-esque, right? But it's so beautiful, you guys. So make sure you hit up your consultant to get one. If I'm your consultant, reach out to me. I will tell you this is a limited edition item, so do not wait because it can sell out. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment, let me know what you think about this beautiful new collection by Marykay in celebration of the 60th anniversary. We are counting it down to 6,000 subscribers. So guys, please share, please like, please comment. Okay, I love reading your comments. So thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to support the channel. All right, so have a blessed day, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.